Now we will learn about Khilafat movement. Muslims all over the world regarded the ruler of Turkey as their religious leader. See now, Muslim community in all over the world, they they thought that the ruler of Turkey is their religious leader, and the ruler of Turkey during religious, here we have learned Muslim of all over world, they think that the ruler of Turkey is the religious leader, and during the First World War, Turkey fought against the British. We have learned in the first videos also about the First World War in the year 1914, in the year between 1914 to 1918, and in this First World War, Turkey fought against the British. To get the support of the Indian Muslim in the war, the British had assured that after the end of the World War, Khalifa's empire will not be harmed. Here, in the First World War, Turkish they fought against the Britishers, and to get the support from the from the Muslims in the First World War, the Britishers had assured to the Muslims that after the World War, after the end of the First World War, the Khalifa's empire will not be harmed by the British government. It was assured by the Britishers to the Muslims that after this war, the Khalifa's empire will not be harmed by the Britishers, and but after the end of the First World War, England did not stick to its assurance. It's a major reason. First, they assured to the Muslim leaders that when the war will end, we will not harm to your empire, we will not harm to the Khalifa's empire. But after that, they turn out, they did not stick. They did not stick to its assurance, and a tide of great discontent arose among the Muslims, and they did not stick on its assurance. They forget their assurance, and to show the protest, there were the discontent arose, or the discontent or the peoples, they are now against to the British, or arose. The movement started by the Indian Muslim to support the Khalifa was called Khilafat movement. To show the protest to the Britishers and to support the Khalifa, this movement is known as Khilafat movement. It is important for us. The movement started by Indian Muslims to support the Khalifa. This movement is called Khilafat movement, and Gandhiji thought that on this problem, if the Hindus and Muslims came together and start a national movement, then the government can surely be brought to its sense. And Gandhiji, they find the way to solve this problem, that they in, if the Hindus and Muslims they come together and they fight and they start to fight against the British, start a national movement, or if Hindus and Muslims come together and start a national movement, then only government can surely be brought to its assurance, to its sense. Thereafter, therefore, Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement, the movement that was started by the Indian Muslims to show the support to the Khalifa. Gandhiji also supported to the Khilafat movement. The Khilafat committee accepted Gandhiji's proposal of following non-cooperation to the government. Hindu-Muslim unity was seen especially during this period, and the leader of Khilafat movement or the Khilafat committee members, they accepted the proposal of Gandhiji of following non-cooperation, means we will not cooperate to the Indian government, non-cooperation movement, or non-cooperation to the government, and it was the speciality of this Khilafat movement that the Hindu-Muslim unity was seen specially during this period. Hindu-Muslim unity was seen in the Khilafat movement and in the non-cooperation movement also. Right, so it is about Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement means the movement which was started by the Indian Muslim to show the support to the Khalifa. This was called Khilafat movement, and Gandhiji also supported to the Khilafat movement.